to get hold of Russian data is a big challenge. And if you see the Pan-Arctic maps that have been produced in this State of the Arctic Marine Biodiversity Report, for instance, there's a typical lack of data from the entire Russian sector. And we that worked on sea ice biota is a noticeable exception to this, because we had a long-term old scientist, Igor Melnikov, that was an Arctic diver, and he was also a pioneer on diving below Arctic sea ice. And he spent years up on these ice stations that the Russians had for many years in the Arctic Ocean. And he became a good kind of friend of mine, and I invited him over. And he was also part of this expert network run in this CMBP framework. And I said, well, Igor, we should get all your data, into this report in some way. And he came to our institute, the Polar Institute in Tromsø, and worked with us. And his data became an integral part of the sea ice biota reporting in this report. So I think that's what we have to do, is to work closer with our Russian colleagues that actually have these data that are lacking, invite them over, get them intimately involved so they feel that they have a good function, and they are, of course, co-authors on the things that are produced. And but we realize, of course, it's a difficult situation sometimes in Russia, but there are a lot of data, especially for sea ice biota. The Russians have probably done more work in the Arctic than any other nations.